A student scores 70 on a math test and 66 on an English test. The scores for both tests are normally distributed. The math test has a mean of 60 and a standard deviation of 20. The English test has a mean of 60 and a standard deviation of 2. On which test did the student have a better score in relation to her classmates? So we have two different scores from two different sets of data. So we want to convert them both to z-scores and then compare them. So we need to know the mean and the standard deviation from both sets of data. So for the math test, we want to take 70 minus 60 and divide it by 20 to get 0.5. And then for the English test, we want to take 66 minus 60 and divide it by 2, which is 3.0. So her English score is 3 standard deviations above the mean. While her math score is only 0.5 standard deviations above the mean. So she actually did better on her English test relative to her classmates. So even though 70 is higher than 66, because her English test was 3 standard deviations above average, that's way better relative to her classmates.